And welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. Now today I'm going to answer the question, is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? Well, yes, it is possible. Today I'm going to concentrate on Canada. There are specific conditions that you need to meet depending on your situation and the country you're applying to for you to be able to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time. Now here's how it typically works for Canada. For spousal sponsorship, if you're applying for this, that is, you are sponsoring your spouse for permanent residence in Canada, you can submit an application to sponsor your spouse under the family class category. The process involves proving that your relationship is genuine and submitting required documents such as marriage certificates, proof of communication, and shared financial responsibilities. To apply for open work permits for your spouse or to sponsor them for to apply for open work permit for your spouse, if your spouse is being sponsored for permanent residence, they may be eligible to apply for an open work permit while their application is being processed. This permit allows them to work in Canada while waiting for the final decision on their permanent residency application. You can apply for the open work permit at the same time as the spousal sponsorship or after the sponsorship application has been submitted. To apply for both spousal sponsorship, you need to submit the sponsorship and permanent residency application form 1MM5289 to the relevant immigration office. Open work permit. When submitting the spousal sponsorship application, you can apply for the open work permit for your spouse. The form is IMM5710, while the form for spousal sponsorship is 5289, form IMM5289. For open work permit is form IMM5710, and you may be able to apply online or by paper. Be aware that eligibility and the application process can vary, and it's important to follow the specific guidelines set by the immigration authority in your country, for in this case, Canada. It's also a good idea to check the processing times and any restrictions that might apply during the application process. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.